Hello, welcome back guys to Spotter channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change scan quality and resolution in camscanner on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support this channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first that you have to do, of course, you just have to open your camscanner applications over here. And after, go ahead to this Me option at the bottom. After in this page, we'll find out here the option which is scanner, guys. You just have to tap on it like this. At the first option, we'll find out the scan quality and resolution. I'm gonna tap on it like this, and as you can see here, I use the standard, guys. For example, you can choose for the resolution or the quality by the smallest one, or here I'm gonna use and change it to the largest one. And here you can also use for the HD if your account is premium, guys. Maybe here I'm gonna change it to the HD. After, you just have to go back because it will save automatically like this. So yeah, I think it's enough guys for me. Thank you for watching this video, a tutorial how to change scan quality and resolution in camscanner on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.